Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add a drop shadow to a shape or image in Canva using the 2025 editor. First, log into your Canva, open an existing design or start a new one. I will use a blank template for this. Now, add a shape here, edit photo. Once your shape or image is selected, click edit photo from the top toolbar. If Canva prompts you to switch to the old version, click the link to do so and click revert to old editor. Then click edit image. Scroll down to find the shadow here. After finding it, see all. Click on see all. You can see other versions of the shadow. Now choose drop, blow or backdrop from the shadow effects. You can adjust the settings like transparency, blur angle to customize it. And you can see other effects as well. Feel free to explore the other shadows styles and see which one fits your design best. And that's how you add drop shadows to shapes or images in Canva. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.